Good morning, everybody. Let's have a look and see what's going on. Alright, so let's start off with the DAX, or not the DAX, the dollar index, and let's see what's going on. Alright, so we're on the 4 hour here. I would say this supply was mitigated here. Dollar should be getting weaker, to be fair, but there is still imbalance in the market that the dollar might want to fetch. I can't really see anything too clear on here, guys, but I would say that the dollar is going to probably do a correction and come down a little bit. I don't think it's going to break structure. But let's see what happens with the dollar. Let's see how this correlates onto our other pairs, and let's see if it can give us anything clearer. I'm currently in a position on EU. If you have a look here, on the 1 hour chart, we got a break of structure up here. Not really, it wasn't structure, there was one candle pullback, but this left behind a demand. So delete this. It's left behind a demand. Price retraced into this demand, breaking structure, leaving behind another demand over here. Price is now currently in this demand, and it has given us our entry model. So there we go, we've had our change of character, we have had a break of structure, and now we could have gotten into a continuation trade after that break of structure. I did send this out to the group yesterday. I hope you guys used it. Okay, so longs on Euro USD from this, let's use the 1 hour order block. So from here, price retraced, beautiful inducement created, liquidity has been taken. And from here, I'm expecting longs most likely into this inside bar over here. I've refined it, but that's my inside bar that I'm looking at targeting. GBP USD. Let's look at the 4 hour. Okay, so we have broken the structure over here. I am expecting longs due to the fact that this swing structure way up here was broken, so I do have longs in favor on GU. Let's see. So it looks like price might have just reacted to this inducement here. Not inducement, imbalance, sorry. So price reacted to that imbalance, and I think we're going to see longs. So longs to at least break the structure up here. We didn't get the retracement we were waiting for as deep as we wanted, but I think this imbalance has done the trick. There was enough liquidity sitting on the left here for price to be like, okay, this is it. Let's move. GBP JPY. The hell is going on here? Oh my god, okay. So to roll my chain a bit closer. What is this? Alright, morning Jamie, morning Sven. How you guys doing? How are you guys doing? I've officially finished work for the year. My side hustle. God damn, it feels good. I'm working my ass off, won't lie. So now, time on the charts, baby. Yeah, what do we see on GJ? Geez, guys, I don't really see anything too clear here. That's just a mess. It seems to be like ranging a bit. I'd put an alert on the low, I'd put an alert on the high, swing high, and I'd wait to see what price wants to do. At this very, very moment, it looks like price did we break this? We didn't break any highs here, we've only liquidated highs. I would probably have shorts in favor. If you look on the 1 hour, because the 4 hour gives us nothing clear at the moment. We've just broken this low, and we're reacting from this 1 hour supply here. We haven't tapped into it yet, but you know, that's roughly what the market's looking like. And we can expect this low to be taken on GJ. If this supply flips, we can expect a continuation trade. Remember, continuation, reversal. Reversal is a change of character, yeah? Your range break. Gold. Beautiful. Okay. So it looks like we've just tapped into this. Oh no, yeah, beautiful. Let's use this whole range here. The home up range. 4 hour. What is going on? Okay, so it's tapped into the 618. I do think we are going to see this what do you call it? This imbalance filled. So we're going to see a retracement into this sort of area here. That's what I believe. Bitcoin. Okay, so this low still hasn't gone since yesterday. Low is still intact, signaling that this could be a weak low. We could see longs on Bitcoin, but I'm waiting for deeper retracement, to be fair. I'm waiting for shorts to buy some Bitcoin. Not trade it, I want to buy some coins. Ethereum, still waiting for this demand to be met down here. It's just been creating a whole bunch of inducement. Luna is actually in a buy zone right now. So I would actually look at scaling in my position, buy about 1 million coins, and just leave it. If it drops down to this zone down here, I'll refine something in here, and I'll buy again in this zone. If it drops again, this is the last zone that I'll buy at 0.406. Yeah, I'll buy like 10 million coins at that price. Bye-bye. Then you're talking cash. If Luna then goes to $1, remember Luna was sitting at $120. If it recovers to just $1 and you got 10 million coins, you make $10 million, Marbury. Oh my god, that's so much money. For a South African fella, you can do a lot of money. You can do a lot of stuff with that money. Ripple. Okay, so looks like we have had the reaction to the supply that broke this low here. Price came down, broke the low, retraced. We're now seeing a reaction. I'm expecting a retracement into this imbalance on Ripple. This imbalance down here on the 4 hour chart. From here, I'll maybe look at buying some Ripple. Doge. Yeah, Doge still not really moving. What I want to see is if Elon posts anything, if anything happens to this, because I know he's not allowed to, and if he does, I want to see what happens, because I know he'll probably get fined like a lot of money. There's Elon Musk's Twitter posts, some of them are regulated. Like if he posts anything about finance, they have to go to the government first, and they have to like review it. So I want to see, because he messes around a lot, so I want to see. Alright, Euro GBP. Hey yo, bastard. Yeah, no, so this has been such a messy a messy week for me. So I got into a position here, right? Here, I got into a position here. Price pulled down into like 3 or 4R, retraced, broke me even, and then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go in again. Found myself an entry with a 7 pip stop loss over here. Okay, ran, poop, all the way. It was, I think I ran for like 15R. My bird instantly reversed on me. Boop, break even. It's like, okay, I'm gonna do this again. I entered, got a 2 pip stop loss. It ran for 20R, and it broke me even this morning. So I'm done with this order block now. I could have pulled like 50R from this damn session, but because I'm waiting for this low to go, I just gave all my money back to the broker like an asshole. So hey, you need to take your profits when you got your profits, okay? Lesson learned. The market doesn't care what you want. You need to take partials. Like if I had taken, I didn't take partials. I was like, I'm gonna make this, bro. This thing is going down. No, right here. Man, yeah. And watch, now it's gonna come from here. I can see this price action. I can see how wicky it is. I can see what it's taken. Like it's just taking liquidity here from these highs in the low time frames. Now it's gonna melt, bro. Watch. And this would have been like 100k payday for the boy. And now I'm like, I'm not even going to rush into it. Sit. You guys need to partial out your trades. In the new course, we will be releasing our partialing strategy that is going to be absolutely bomb. USD ZAR, where are we? It's not really moving much. Not a lot of momentum at all. Seems to be just be ranging. But ultimately, I reckon this high is going to be taken. No. Look for the low to go. Look for the low to go. So we've just had the reaction from the supply. We've filled this gap in the market. This gap in the market symbolizes that. It doesn't really symbolize anything. It just tells us that there was a shitload of momentum and there was a massive price difference over the weekend, and this is where the price closed, and this is where the price closed on Friday. Let me highlight that. This is where the price closed on Friday. This is where it opened on Monday. That means that the market left a, let's see here, a 150 pip gap in the market over the weekend, symbolizing that there's a lot of bearish pressure on this pair. So I would expect a break to the downside. Let's see. Once we do get a break to the downside, then you can expect a continuation trade. What does your continuation trade look like? Lightning bolt. Alright. Let's have a look at our indicator. Good. What's going on here? Beautiful Euro USD. So this is the demand that was spat out yesterday by this indicator. Yeah? Remember? When you guys are in the streams, you'll remember these things. I do think this is going to play out because it matches man perfectly. So let's see. A bit on the fence, we'll highlight it to know we might have to change it. And then we've got the supply that's been marked up. So let's see how this supply reacts. We've already had a reaction to the supply, but it wasn't before a break. We need a reaction to the supply after a break of structure. So we've got the supply marked up. Let's see what happens with it. Yeah, guys, indicator's looking good so far. Well, lots here. We'll keep on testing it next couple of weeks. Hopefully we can start implementing it next year. And if it's solid for the whole of December, like, we can actually look at using it. And if we can use an indicator to trade from with our entry model, bye-bye. Because I've got the exact same demand here. on my Euro USD. And I'm currently in this position, running quite nicely. Currently I used my stop was a little bit tighter. Don't use a tighter stop, but my stop was a little bit tighter. So I think I'm running at like 1 hour, maybe less. No. Just under 1 hour. Okay, beautiful, guys. This indicator is looking quite promising. We'll just keep testing it just to confirm it's not just spitting out lux. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it, to be fair. Quite happy with it. Let's just recap what we're looking for today. Euro USD, we're currently in a long position. We are looking to hold this long position into this 1 hour inside bar. We will be partialing at every 4R. Every 4R you take off 25%, so you got a 1 lot trade, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, etc, etc. Alright guys, is there any questions? I don't think so. You guys are elites in this community right now, so I think you guys know exactly when I say something. I think you guys know exactly what I'm talking about, yeah? Okay guys, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. If you do have any questions, you know where to find us. As I say, I've officially finished my side hustle for the year. One of them. Other one I do have to spend time on, but it's not as time consuming. So I'll be on this Discord community printing out money, bro, for all of us this December. It's going to be good. Yeah, I apologize. Jesus. Oh my god, it's a fucking my throat. Apologize for the last 2 or 3 weeks. I have been a little bit less active on the community. I've just had a lot of work to get done. Like a ton of work. But business is closed for December. A lot of focus is going into content for you guys in our premium. And this community is also going to get a whole revamp. We're going to change up a few things. And we're going to send up some really, really, really good calls. Like the one this morning. I think she's going like a nice 8 out. Okay, perfect guys. I hope you guys have a beautiful one. Sven, I'll be in touch with you. I did send you a message. I hope you guys have a lucky day. If you guys have any questions, you know where to find us. Sending you guys lots of peace, lots of love. Hope you guys have a prosperous day, and I'll spot you guys later.